collecting the eggs that are incubated on the 2nd. This is the, and then today is 16, so it's about 14 days, 15 days. So I'm supposed to take it out actually 2 weeks later. Yeah. So this is 4th. No, not going to do this. Okay, write the date, otherwise you'll get confused. And this is collected yesterday on the 15th. Okay. When the water is running low, yeah, you can refill the water by opening the cap here. Okay, this is to maintain a good humidity for the eggs to hatch, and these are the eggs that I collected just now, and I'm going to put it inside. So 3 days before the hatching, stop rolling. Since I have a bigger incubator, so I use this one without turning on the roller. You see the roller? Yes. And the temperature is maintained at 37.8. It's hard to see, huh? 37.8. Okay, the water is running low. Got to refill again. This is to maintain a good humidity. Good for hatching. When I close the lid, it will continue to raise to the right temperature again. You see 36, 37. Yep. This one was dropped to 36. So sensitive. In a few seconds, it maintains at 37.8 Celsius. This incubator is very sensitive. You see, when the temperature drops, it will beep.